Hey there guys, Chet here. What software do you think a giant company uses to process millions of transactions each day? They don't use Zapier. They use a completely different class of tool called a process orchestration engine. The leader in this open source world is a platform called Camunda. And today we're going to review it. So what exactly is Camunda? It is an open source platform designed for end-to-end process orchestration. That is a technical way of saying it helps businesses design, automate, and improve their most complex and important workflows. It is not a simple tool for connecting two apps together. It is a heavy-duty engine for running the core processes of a large enterprise. Its biggest difference from other automation tools is that it is built for developers and business analysts that work together. It uses industry standards like BPMN, which is a specific way of creating business process models. It allows technical and business teams to collaborate on designing and automating very complex systems. Camunda's best feature is its incredibly powerful and scalable workflow engine. It's designed to handle a huge volume of tasks and can run mission-critical processes that cannot be allowed to fail. It gives you deep visibility into every single step of your process so that you always know what's happening. It also provides powerful tools for modeling these complex processes. Business analysts can design the flow visually using the BPMN standard, and then developers can take that visual model and connect it to the real code and systems that do all the work. It is a platform that truly connects the business side of a company with the technical side. Now let's talk about price. Camunda is open source and it offers two very different free ways to get started. You can use their free SaaS or SaaS plan, which runs in the cloud for your development work, or you can download the free version to install and run on your own machine for non-production use. These free plans are perfect for developers to learn the platform and to build and test their processes. However, for many serious business or production use, you will need their enterprise plan. For this plan, you must contact their sales team to get custom pricing. The enterprise plan gives you a commercial license, full support, and all the advanced features that you need to run your most important automations at a large scale. So what is my final review? If you are a small business or a non-technical user just looking to connect a few apps, Camunda is not the right tool for you. But if you're part of a large enterprise with a team of developers that need to automate complex, mission-critical business processes, then Camunda is one of the most powerful and respected platforms in the world for that job. All right, that's it for this review. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.